so glad. Girl, what can I do? You know that all I want for Christmas is you.
That is so disgusting, and that is literally everywhere. Sophie. What is up, you guys? I am back to bring a much requested video of healthier dessert options / recipes from my sister to help me out with that today. And yeah, so this is what I'm going to be making today. A few of these I've made and a few of these I've never made. So we're going to kind of trial and error and see how it goes. But I heard there's super good recipes. I found some online, but I'm going to kind of switch them up a little bit, make them a little healthier and a few of them a little bit more meat, I guess you could say. So first things we're going to be making is going to be cookie dough balls, which I'm so excited about because I'm a freak for cookie dough. But since going gluten-free, I haven't found a cookie dough that I really like eating or enjoy eating, or gluten-free cookies that I really enjoy eating. So I'm excited to make these. I'm making a chocolate mousse, healthier peppermint bark, and then flourless brownie muffins. So they're gonna be like brownies, but in the shape of muffins. So I'm super excited to make these today. I'm gonna be using protein powder for a lot of these, and I can link the protein powder I'm gonna be using below. This is a protein powder that I have been drinking every day for 2 years, and so it comes in a lot of variety of flavors, but I'm gonna be using the chocolate and vanilla today for a lot of these recipes. You can use any protein in place of this, and a lot of these things you can switch out. A lot of the recipes call for almond butter, but I prefer peanut butter, so I'm going to use peanut butter. You kind of can just take these recipes and do what you will with them. If you want to add some extra sugar in there, or if you want to make some things even healthier than from what I've done, you can totally do that and customize it however you want. So we're going to get started, but thanks for watching, and I'm super excited to share these recipes with you in time for the holidays. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to make is the cookie dough balls. And this calls for almond butter, but I'm going to use peanut butter just because I like peanut butter better. So this is the peanut butter I'm using. It's just Jif Natural. And so the things you're going to need for this are going to be, maybe I should pull this out on my phone because that's where it was. Half a cup of all natural peanut butter, almond butter, a 4th cup of raw honey, 2.5 scoops of vanilla protein powder. I'm going to use my superfood shake powder, and then 2 tablespoons of semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips. And I got these Nestle dark chocolate.
Those are really good.
I don't even know. I've never really had them, but I want to try one actually. I'm not a huge honey fan, so instead of doing like an entire thing of honey, we're just gonna do, it's like you keep doing it a little, because it said a 4th cup, but I'm not really like a huge fan. I think that should be good. We just did like
A spoonful.
yeah, a spoonful of sugar.
I want to use a lot of honey in our house. That's why it's like.
So now we're gonna do the protein powder. It calls for 2, ooh, did I say 2 scoops? No. Okay, so we're gonna do, the table's shaking when you hang on it. The table's shaking when you touch it. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons. These are super big.
But they're really good.
So I'm gonna do extra because they're like way too big. These are morsels and I should have gotten chips. So just add extra chocolate and then it's fine.
Everything's good.
Now we're gonna stir it up. Maddie is here to help us. Maddie, you can wave. Here she comes. Maddie's here. And she's gonna help us roll the cookie dough balls into bowls.
All our hands are clean, by the way.
Yeah, no one else can eat this, so why would you even tell them that?
Sorry. Well, make sure you wash your hands before you make this for your family.
Make sure you wash your hands before you make these, because then people will think you're gross.
Oops.
Yeah. Where'd that one go? Okay, so we just made these.
So what's a good size? Just like a scoop?
Yeah. I was just doing it with my hands.
Alright.
However you want.
Look great.
Yay. we're done with the first recipe. Now we only have 3 more to go. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is a healthier peppermint bark. So this is gonna take a few more ingredients. This is all you're gonna need. So you're gonna need some type of candy cane. The store was literally out of candy cane, so all they had were these sugar-free mints. I was about trying to get them sugar-free, but I actually did. So we have these mints. What else are we gonna need? We are gonna need pure vanilla extract to have right here. Some type of oats. I'm seriously using gluten-free quick 1-minute oats because that's what I had. What else are we gonna need? We're gonna need coconut oil. Oh, a paper lined with parchment. We're gonna need that. A coconut oil, which I have this. What else have I not said? So the first thing we're gonna do is combine half a cup of almond milk in a bowl. We're gonna use the same bowl from earlier because we don't like to do dishes. Okay, so you're gonna first mix in the almond milk, the protein powder, the oats, and the extracts into a bowl. And it's gonna get a consistency kind of like this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smooth that onto the parchment paper. Okay, so I just put all the mixture onto this parchment paper, and now we're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay, we're good. Wait, we're good. We're good. Microwave that for like 30 seconds. And then we're gonna put more chocolate protein powder into that to make a chocolate drizzle for the top. And now, one of the most exciting parts. We have to mash the peppermints. Okay, so Maddie just mixed the coconut oil and the protein powder. Almost forgot. So we're gonna drizzle it onto this. Maddie, do you wanna do it? So my mom says the best way to mash up peppermints is to roll them with a rolling pin. I feel like we should use a cutting board. We'll just try it and see if it works.
That didn't work.
Okay, so we're gonna scratch that idea. We're gonna put them in a Ziploc bag and then we're gonna try to roll them. Well, first, like. So loud.
That's what I call muscles.
Okay, so banging them worked a lot better. They're sprinkling everywhere. Okay, do you want to get the hand? Now we're just gonna sprinkle.
There you go.
I think it's squeaky on the bottom. That works, right?
So this is the final.
This is what it looks like. I'm not eating these. Alright, this is going to fridge. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is this chocolate mousse. So I'm gonna be using my chocolate protein powder for this. All I have right here, you can get the store brand. They have like so many different brands. This is just store brand. Plain, non-fat Greek yogurt.
This is unsweetened.
This is unsweetened
Almond milk.
Almond and coconut milk. I've kind of been on a kick where I have the almond coconut blend. I've been liking that a lot better. Anyway, so just gonna scoop this entire, can you hold the thing? I'm not very fancy here, so I'm not really vlogger material, I guess. We're just gonna scoop this whole yogurt. Maddie's left out. She needs a job.
Yeah, I like this one.
All right, Maddie. Let's get you a job. Hold on. Now I'm gonna take a scoop of chocolate protein powder. Well, that's like almost a whole scoop. And dump it in.
We're gonna mix.
Yeah, we're gonna mix it up.
Maddie, you can mix some. Oh yeah.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna give it to Maddie so she can have a job. And she's just mixing the.
Yeah, narrate it for us.
She's just mixing the superfood powder with the non-fat yogurt from Giant, which is a store brand. Store brand.
It's a store band. Speaking of bands, Maddie is really cool because she was she's famous. So we're really honored to have a star here with us, starring on my YouTube today. So yes. Maddie, tell us how you're famous and what music video you were in.
Yes, in the Old
Do a splash
Dominion
of this.
Be With Me video at 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
That was her minute of fame.
Like,
oh my gosh.
Like 2 seconds of fame.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. that actually looks so good. I've never made this before. I made things like it, but just not this exact with almond milk and everything. So it said that you could add peanut butter, but I'm not going to because I think that's extra. So this is a really cool thing that's just super simple to make if you have like a sweet tooth. Okay, we're gonna try it because we're just gonna cheat. Do you guys wanna try?
Yes.
That's actually really good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in these cute little bowls so both of you can have one. And then I'm just gonna scoop it in an artistic way to make it pretty. Okay, that looks like good. And then this needs to go in the fridge. Hold on, let me bring this. We're gonna do a berry topping. So blueberries, raspberries,
Blackberries.
blackberries, strawberries if you wanted, any kind of berries. You guys can pick. Just make it pretty, like on the top.
Like the acai bowls or whatever.
Kind of, yeah, that's actually a good idea. You can actually add granola. That's actually smart, Maddie. Thanks, Maddie. The brains behind the operation.
So this is what mine looks like. The chocolate's on the bottom. This is on the top because I'm a big fruit fan. And I really like blackberries.
Big fruit fan. Some of these are moldy. It's kind of nasty.
Try not to get those in.
Ooh. Looks cute.
All these are from Giant. Get your local Giant.
Or Publix or wherever you live.
Any grocery store?
Yeah.
You can find berries there.
Yeah.
I hope.
I would. Mine's like half chocolate, half berries. Oh wait.
It's cute. Ready? All right, it's time for our very last recipe. This one is probably the longest. It's not even very long, but I literally never cook or bake, so anything longer than like 2 steps is long for me. So we're gonna be making flourless, what was it? Flourless brownie muffins. So basically brownies, but muffin form. I've never used a food processor, but we're gonna try.
This is new.
I don't know how to,
I know.
how do you know if it's on? Oh!
You hit the on button.
No, I didn't know I even knew the blade's on. Okay, for this you're gonna need a 15-ounce can of chickpeas. I have 2 kinds that are both 50 ounces. I accidentally bought 2. So we have low sodium, and we also have organic low sodium. We're gonna go with organic and be fancy because I accidentally bought it. 3 large eggs, half a cup of pure maple syrup. We have some pretty cool maple syrup here today. We have sugar-free, and we also have literally real from Vermont in this cool case maple syrup. But you can literally use any kind of syrup from the store. And then you're gonna need unsweetened cocoa powder. I have this right here. You're gonna need more coconut oil, some baking soda or baking powder, some vanilla extract, and some chocolate chips. So I couldn't find the electric can opener, but I found the manual one. So I kind of just put a hole in the side. So however you can get your beans out is the best way to do it. So you're gonna combine all those things into the food processor and then blend it until it's smooth. Okay, so blend that until it's smooth, and then you just need to pour it into your cookie tin, or muffin tins. So I have some lined muffin tins right here. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the oven. But I can use an oven to make, actually. I don't have an oven. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Ooh, they may need to go a little longer, actually. They look so good. No, they should be good. We'll just do what it says. Okay, so all the recipes are officially done. I'm gonna tilt my camera down so you can kind of see the finished product. I'm about to do another angle so you can see it a little bit better, but I'm super excited to have actually baked something myself. Well, baked, I guess, technically one thing, but made a few things. And I hope you guys try these and really enjoy them. But Merry Christmas, and Sophie, do you want to say Merry Christmas to
Good luck making these and Merry Christmas.
Wow, she's such a joy. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and tag me if you make any of these, because I'd love to see what you make and hear from you. So, Merry Christmas.
You know that all I want for Christmas is you. Is you.
That's gonna be a blooper. Major rule of cooking: always lick the spoon. Always. What were you doing in the back that whole time?